Oh, you need to, no, you need to hold the handles. What are you doing in there?
I'm spacing.
It's your spacesuit?
My suit.
Look at me. Did you say hi to everybody in Florida? Okay, your head's gonna fall off. You can't hold your shoulders up like that. Whoa. Brayden, can you say hi? Ryan, can you say hi? Whoa! Hi. Where are you going? Hi, Danny. Uh-oh, you lost your face. What are you eating? Oops.
My dad.
You're all done?
Yes.
Okay. Was it fun? Brayden? Brayden, can you say hi?
No.
No. Brayden. Brayden. What's wrong with you? Oh! How cute that butt is. Where are you going? Hmm?